I'm Sammy. Who's this cute girl?
Mina.
Mina. And who's she?
Ati.
Hattie, yeah. And today we are cooking from Joshua McFadden's new cookbook, Grains for Every Season, Rethinking Our Way with Grains. I love this cookbook. It's full of new uses for whole grains. And today we are making toasted brown rice horchata. Can you say horchata?
Horchata.
Good. Look how yummy that looks. Okay, so first we're going to put the cinnamon stick, rice, and almonds in a large, heavy bottom skillet. Set over medium-low heat and cook, moving the ingredients around so they don't burn until very fragrant, about 8 minutes. The almonds will visibly darken in spots. Okay, so let's try that. You want to grab one and put it in our pan? Throw it in. Pour it in the pan. Good job. Now we're gonna do our almonds, okay? You wanna pour that in the skillet too, Mina? Great job. So now these are our 3 ingredients. Where's our cinnamon stick? There they are. So now we're gonna toast them on the medium heat, okay? All right. You hear that pop, pop, pop?
Pop, pop, pop.
Yeah. Cinnamon.
Thank you.
Stick.
Kids.
Good job. Okay, so our next step. Transfer the toasted rice and almonds to a large heat-proof bowl and add the maple syrup, vanilla, and salt. Dump it. Do not drink. Don't drink it! Mina, it's vanilla extract. Thank goodness it's non-alcoholic, my word. Okay, can you take a big pinch of salt? Promise me you're not gonna put it in your mouth? Promise? It goes in the bowl. Big pinch. Smash or break up the cinnamon stick into small pieces and add them to the bowl. Okay, now we're going to pour in boiling water. Gentle, because you don't want to splash that hot water on yourself, okay? Good, that's very gentle. Nice. Let the mixture sit at room temperature for at least 4 hours and up to overnight. Transfer everything in the bowl to a blender. Starting slow, you're good at that. Blend the mixture until it's as fine as possible. Strain through a fine mesh sieve, set over a bowl, pressing to get as much liquid out as possible of the solids. To be sure you get the maximum yield, put the pulp into some cheesecloth and squeeze out any remaining liquid. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt or vanilla if needed. Chill the horchata and serve over ice with a grating of cinnamon if you like. Store in the fridge for up to 2 days. That's your glass. Go ahead, let's try it. I'm excited. Oh, wow. Oh, Hattie can't have any yet, remember? That's a treat. Isn't that creamy? What's your favorite part about it? Is it good? Oh, wow. Oh, that's special.
Mama Mina.
You want me to try yours? Oh, thank you. That's very generous. You want to try mine? Okay. You know what I bet? I bet your papa would love this on cold brew.
One, 2, 3. You need more?